Alright, day 2, VT and DFX and myself. And as you can tell, the wind's already started blowing. So we'll try and keep the camera out the wind. Anyway, we'll talk to you later. See ya. Bye. Okay, we've been going along about half hour. The other two guys are just to the west of me, against the bluff. Out in the field a little bit more. That might be part of Williams cleaner, I don't know. I still have the zinc disc on it. 5070, 2 Sharps, correction, Spencers, 558. That's a Spencer. That's the long Spencer, not the short Spencer. 5 pistol round ball, and then I got this 58. This one's fired too, I can tell you. You know, there's hardly any rifling on it. In fact, I don't think there's any. The base, you can see, has got the flattened edges from where it was pressed up against the inside of the barrel, much like that one. So I'm thinking this is probably whatever shooting was going on. They were shooting in this direction. We were reading up on this location last night, and we get the impression there was not much training going on. The troops pretty much stayed in the fort unless they were collecting wood or water or hunting game. So that's all we got so far. Can't complain. Excuse me. Early morning, what can I say? But anyway, we'll get back with you. Talk to you in a little bit. Right, bye. Okay, moving along. We're going to head up a wagon track here that cuts up onto the top of this bluff that we're near. But I just dug this. It's a nicely fired 58 caliber, and there's the ramrod mark right there from where it was ramrodded in. You can just make out some of the rifling too. So very cool. I'll take it. On to the next one.
All right. Let's see it, James. It says greatness is his. Oh, he died. Oh my goodness.
And let me show you, folks, this was right next to it here. And I pulled that out, swung it over, got a 90. I honestly was expecting another can. You know, I gotta take a photo of that like that.
Just like that.
Just. There's the bar. Oh. Yes.
There's a belt buckle.
Belt buckle. Look at that. Complete. That's my first complete one.
Yep.
Unbelievable.
Wow. Oh,
Nice.
sitting there like that. So it's sitting down on the ground like that. Unbelievable.
Well done.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Perfect. That's such
It's in great condition, huh?
Oh yeah, it's in perfect condition. Well, congrats, buddy.
Thanks, appreciate it. On to the next one. Well, those two are about a quarter mile ahead of me. And I just got the top end of a Williams cleaner right there. And another eagle button right there. And I got a good signal in here. So let's see what we got. Oh, another 58 dropped. There you go. So right now I'm about 16, about almost at 20 58s today. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. There you go. On to the next one. Okay, point it out to me. Oh yeah, check it out. We got a, looks like a iron-backed eagle. That's what it's suspecting. Notice the skill which he picked that out. Yeah.
Just precision. It's general service.
General service cuff.
Yep.
But you know what? It's better than nothing.
Yep.
And it's ironback.
it
It's
does
amazing number of ironbacks we found out here.
It still has a shank.
Perfect.
So
Well done. On to the next one. Alright, came back to the spot we were at yesterday, and I got a signal, and bam, there it is right there. It is a, looks like an eagle button. Yep. Oh, it's a Kefi button. Excellent. Oh, very good. It's got the eagle behind the shield. The shield's to our right. Eagle's looking to our left. Very cool. On to the next one. Alright, VT's joined me because I wanted to point this out to him. I got this signal, it was an 86, then it went to nothing because there's iron in here. I almost did not complete digging the hole because I saw this, which I thought was iron. You know, it's not iron, that's that's cedar. But I got this right here, I got a button, and we're going to see what it is together. It's an Eagle something. I can't tell. You got a brush on you?
General Service.
It's General Service? You're hoping it is. Yeah, it looks like it might be a General Service. That's cool, I'll take it. Okay, on to the next one. Alright, we're done. The wind's absolutely howling. We're probably thinking about 20, 25 at times, gusting up to probably 40. So, calling it a day. Myself and VT have a very long drive home. And what have you. So, we'll start with VT stuff. He got part of a lock face, probably off a strong box. Got a another haversack J-hook. A mystery item again, because I got one of these yesterday. No clue what it is. No clue. He got himself another bottle, and this is actually in the same location as you got the breastplate and that other bottle. That's just amazing. There's got to be more in there.
Yeah.
There's got to be more. Nice piece of purple glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buttons. So how far short are you from 100 Eagles this year?
2.
2. Yeah, it slows up. Yeah. Calm down. Okay, 57 is. And you can hear that wind. And then a bunch of 58 calibers. Well, that's chewed up, isn't it? To include some Williams cleaner bottoms. And you got one of those slices. Where'd you get that one at?
That was out there.
Oh, way out there. Okay. Excellent. Very good. And a couple of pistol. Oh, they're in round ball. Nice. Yeah. Hey, you seen that one? You know what that one looks like? The ones from the Gatling.
Yeah. Could be.
They're very similar. Okay. On to DFXs. He's got a nice, whoa, that's a nice 50-70 impact right there. That's awesome. Pistol bullets, miscellaneous lead. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 58s. Spencer's 57s. No hunt is complete without the mule shoe. And I got one of those too. Yeah, whatever it is. And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay, hang on. You got mystery metal again. The bottom part of the shoulder scale clip. Another haversack rivet. That's 3 you found this trip.
Yeah.
Wow. And then he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. Eagle buttons of 1, which is a very, very nice Eagle C with gilt. Cool. Cool. Then we'll, okay, on to mine. We'll start here. Whole bunch of 58s, pistols, some 57s, Williams cleaner, top and bottom. More 58s and a, don't ask me what that's doing there. 69 round ball. We'll go up here. Trying to save the best for last. My mule shoe, miscellaneous iron, miscellaneous glass, mystery lead. We got 2 parts to the shoulder scale, top and bottom, and one of the scales. Got a couple of pieces of iron. I'm gonna keep. Oh, I actually found a complete tin. It's still got the lead solder on the inside, and it's still got some of the whatever the original surface would have been. How that survives, I have no idea, but I'll take that. And then we got my buttons. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 regular Eagle, then 1 Kepi, Henry, 2 57s, miscellaneous brass, J-hook, sword hanger, and then the best parts. You We got the bugle, the Eagle bugle. We got the Eagle. Now, what did that go to? You said?
I'm not sure. That's
Which,
smaller.
well, we know it's not a Hardy hat pin.
It's smaller version of like what you'd find on a cavalry parade helmet.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll look it up.
Yeah.
And then my best find today, obviously, the US belt buckle, complete. And that's my first complete one. So, all in all, short hunt. I mean, we've only been out about 6 hours, just under, and but it was still productive. I mean, we still came away with a lot of bullets and buttons, so we can't complain. So we appreciate you coming along with us and joining us. So DFX, you wanna say what you usually say?
See ya.
And VT Mining.
Until next time.
And from somewhere in the territories, TV saying thanks for joining us, and happy hunting. Good luck out there. See you on the next one.